In the vast expanse of life, we seek to find a truth that lies within, deep in our mind. For in this search, we journey far and wide to discover who we are deep down inside. We look to gurus and sages of the past, hoping their wisdom will forever last. But in the end, the answers lie within, a journey to ourselves where we begin. To find yourself, you must let go of fear. Release the doubts that hold you back, my dear. Embrace the power that lies deep within, and let your true potential now begin. But how do we find this essence, so pure? The secret lies in thoughts we must ensure. For what we think, we manifest in time. Our thoughts create our reality, sublime. So focus on the thoughts that bring you joy, and let go of the ones that may annoy. For in this shift, you'll find a brand new view, a life of abundance, dreams coming true. But it's not enough to simply think and dream. Action is needed to fulfill the scheme. For thoughts alone cannot bring forth the change. It's in our actions that we rearrange. So take a step, no matter how small, and watch as life begins to heed your call. For in each action lies a seed of power to manifest your dreams hour by hour. But as you journey on this path so true, remember it's not just about what you do. It's about who you are, deep in your core, and how you embody the teachings and more. Are you kind and loving in all you do? Do you live with purpose and always stay true? Or do you let fear and doubt cloud your way, preventing you from living life day by day? These questions are the key to the self within. To find yourself, it's you've always been. So take a moment and reflect deep inside, and let your true essence be your guide. Now, dear reader, I urge you to take heed. Subscribe now and let Neville's teachings take the lead. For in our videos you'll find wisdom and more to help you on your journey to your very core. Discover the power that lies within, and watch as your life takes a brand new spin.